Do you know that by just watching at an angler fighting a fish, we know whether the angler is experienced in fighting the fish or not? Firstly, we look at whether the angler is just purely using the cranking power from the reel. If he is just using the cranking power and not using the power of the rod, it will be very tedious on the angler. Second, we look at whether the line is constantly in tension when he's fighting the fish. As you can see here, even when the rod is being lowered down, the line is still constantly in tension. This is an conscious effort because if the rod is being lowered down too fast, this will cause the line to get slack and the fish might run away. And if the rod is being lowered down too slow, there will be a lot of pressure exerted on the reel, then it will be tedious on the angler. I admire this father because he knows how to fish, but his whole time is spent at trying to get a fish for his two sons. My respect to this father, and now you know how to identify whether an angler knows how to fight a fish and whether is he a good father.